Hi everyone, I'm Li Ling. I'm the Program Supervisor at Autism Partnership Singapore. I've been working with parents and preschool teachers to help children with autism transit smoothly into mainstream schools. We all know that language and communication are essential in our lives. However, when children are limited in their language, they are unable to accurately express their needs, which may lead to misunderstanding and frustration. They will also find it hard to understand what's being shared by their friends, what's being taught by the teachers, and what is happening around them. Every day, we engage in meaningful conversations with the people around us, and in order to function independently in our daily lives, we need to have the ability to understand instructions and follow directions. That's why it is also important for our children to learn the right skills to do that. And therefore at AP, we focus on developing pivotal language and communication skills. By equipping children in these critical areas, they will better understand their environment and effectively express themselves. This will also enable children to interact better with their teachers and friends, and at the same time, encourage them to navigate their environment more confidently. So come join us this November 9th at the York Hotel as we share more about equipping children with essential language and communication skills. See you there!